people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to address the My Jewelers Club and the New Coast Direct. I know I talked to you guys a while ago telling you guys how the account is now being removed from a lot of people's credit reports, even my credit reports. Like I recently looked at my credit reports too. It dropped my credit like 50 to 60 points on one of my credit reports. So I feel what you guys are feeling when it comes down to the My Jewelers Club and the New Coast Direct. Now they did not remove it from all three credit bureaus, so I'm not going to pick at them because I don't want them to remove it from the credit bureaus. There's two more credit bureaus that is still on. I don't want them to remove from these two credit bureaus. So keep that in mind if you guys sign up for the New Coast Direct or the My Jewelers Club, that it is coming off, it is being removed from the credit reports. But I always tell my clients too, if it gets removed from the credit reports, all three of them, then you're stuck with nothing. But if it's still on two credit bureaus or maybe one credit bureau, don't go poking at them because you may be looking to buy a house pretty soon. For my credit to drop 50 to 60 points, that's major to me. I'm like freaking out like, no. I'm not going to mess with them and have them remove it from the credit reports that is still on. So I want you guys to keep that in mind when it comes down to the My Jewelers Club and the New Coast Direct. I don't suggest, if you're just now starting, I don't suggest that you sign up for them anymore. But I do suggest, well, you can still sign up for them. It depends on what your angle is, right? But I do suggest that maybe you go a different route and building your credit instead of going with the New Coast Direct and the My Jewelers Club. But that's just my little spiel with you guys, spiel to you guys. But I feel sorry that a lot of people have that removed from their credit reports. I'm really angry that it's removed my credit reports, but now I have to think logically. What's next? What are we going to do next? So I do have a lot of different credit cards that I'm coming out with that I want you guys to sign up for. But most of these credit cards are with credit unions or certain banks that I already had an account with, or maybe I have an account with right now. I don't want to just do just random suggestions. I want to make sure I can have my accounts or clients' accounts that I help them sign up for them. So I'm going to have it out pretty soon. But like I said, with the New Coast Direct or the My Jewelers Club, just if you haven't signed up for them, don't think about signing up right now. Just relax on it. But if you have that account, don't try to fight with them or... Well, you can try to fight with them, get your money back if that's what you want to do, but understand that it is going to be removed from the other bureaus that it's still reporting to. So look at Identity IQ if you have Identity IQ. Look at Identity IQ and see what credit bureaus is still on and understand that if they remove it, that your credit score could possibly drop. But I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe.